students. In previous period, we have learned sine of minus x equal to minus sine x and cos of minus x equal to cos x. Now today, in this video, we shall see the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. For example, if it is given that find the value of sine 75 degree. So in that case, how to find? So I can write this sine of 30 plus 45 degree. Then applying the formula, you can find the value of sine 75 degree. Now this is A and this is B suppose. So we want to derive here the formula sine A plus B, okay, or cos A plus B, cos A minus B, sine A minus B. So that type of formula we want to derive here. Okay, now see, for that I have taken one unit circle. This is a unit circle. See here, here this ray makes an angle of x radian. Then this P1, P4O P1 makes an angle of x radian. Then P1O P2, this is of y radian. Okay, then in clockwise direction, the P4O P3 is of minus y radian. Okay, now here let us prove that these two triangles, see, P1O P3 and P2O P4, these are congruent triangles. Why these are congruent triangles? See here, in triangle P1O P3, P1O P3, this is y degree and plus this angle is added. In P3O P4 also, this is of minus y and this is of y, this is minus y, and the same angle is added here. Therefore, this complete angle in this triangle P2O P4 and in this triangle P1O P3, this complete angle, these are equal angles. And then radii of the same circle OP1 OP3, okay, and then OP2 OP4, all these are the radii of the same circle, so they are equal. So by using SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent triangles. Okay, so therefore I can write here by using simplicity P1 P3 side will be equals to P2 P4 side. Now let us find out P1 P3 and then we will find P2 P4. Okay, so here I am writing, consider the unit circle. Consider the unit circle. Consider the unit circle with the center at the origin. At the origin. Okay, let small x be the angle, P4O P1. This is your x. Okay, P4O P1 and y be the angle, P1O is P1O P2. P1O P2. Then x plus y. X plus y is the angle, P4O P2. P4O P2. P4O P2. This will be x plus this y. So that is x plus y. Therefore, see here, this is of x radian. So coordinates of this P1 will be cos x, then sin x. First value gives the cos x values, second coordinate gives the values of sin x, and this is x, this is y. So this this P2, see P2 up to OP2, this angle is x plus y. So this is cos of x plus y and sin of x minus y. Now take the radian in this clockwise direction, that is minus y. This is minus y. So coordinates of this point P3 are cos of minus y, sin of minus y. And this P4 will be, as it, since it is a unit circle, the coordinates of P4 are 1, 0. Okay, so first to find out all the coordinates of these 4 points. Okay, then also let minus y be the angle, be the angle. माइनस y जो है वो एंगल है P4OP3, P4OP3, P4OP3. This is of minus y in clockwise direction. Okay, therefore P1, this P1, P2, P3 and P4 will have the coordinates, P1 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो जाएंगे cos x sin x, राइट. P2 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो जाएंगे cos of x plus y, okay, I am writing this way, and sin of x plus y. Then P3 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो जाएंगे P3 cos of, this is minus y, and sin of minus y, because this is of minus y radian angle. Okay, and P4 is 1, 0, as it is a unit circle. Okay, now consider the triangle. Consider the triangle P1OP3. This is P1OP3. Okay, so इसमें क्या हो गया, ये y plus a ये ऐड हो गया, सी. Okay, they are P1OP3 and P2OP4, and triangle P2OP4. Okay, they are congruent triangles according to SAS criteria. Congruent triangle according to SAS criteria, because I have added this angle in both. Here it is y plus this angle, here also this is y plus this angle. So the angles are equal, and all sides are always OP1, here OP3, here OP2 and OP4, all are the radii of the same circle, so they are equal. Hence, by using SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So now let us find out. Therefore P1 P3 जो साइड होगी P1 P3, where it is P1 and P3, ये वाली साइड P1 P3 साइड, and P2 P4 side, P2 P4, this P2 and P4 this side, using CPCT are equal. Now let us find out what is P1 P3 and then find out P2 P4. Now P1 P3 का स्क्वायर निकालता हूं मैं, इसका स्क्वायर by using distance formula. So y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, by using that formula. Okay, so here will be cos of x minus cos of minus y whole square. P1 P3, this is P1, this is P3. So this cos x minus this cos of minus y whole square. then plus sin x minus the sin of minus y whole square plus in bracket sin x minus sin of minus x, okay, whole square. Now squaring this, so we get cos square x, okay, or we can write this cos x, and we know that cos of minus y is cos y only, so I am writing cos y whole square, cos of minus x cos x, so and this is sin x, and sin of minus x is minus sin x, so minus this and this sin of minus x minus sin x, so that will be plus sin it is y, this is y sin y whole square. Okay, now expand this, so we get cos square x plus cos square y, okay, minus twice cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus twice sin x sin y. Okay, so it is equals to 2 minus 2 means this is sin square x plus cos square x is 1, sin square y plus cos square y is 1, so 1 plus 1 that is 2, then this minus taking 2 as common, minus 2 into bracket, take this 2 as common, cos x cos y, then minus take 2 common from this, as this is plus 2, I have taken minus as common, so that will be minus sin x into sin y. So let this is your number 1. Now number 1. Now find out the P2 P4. Now and P2 P4 P2 P4 whole square using distance formula. So P2 P4, this is P2 whose coordinates are cos of x plus y sin of x plus y. P4 is 1 0. So P2 P4 whole square will be equals to, this is 1 minus this 1 minus this cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y whole square plus that 0 minus this 0 minus this sign of minus sign of x plus y, so 0 0 minus sign of x plus y, then whole square. So this is equals to squaring this 1 minus twice cos of x plus y plus cos square, this is x plus y square of this first bracket, then plus 0 square is 0, you know, and this is sin square x plus y, sin square x plus y, and 2 into 0 that will be 0, so sin square x plus y, because 2 into 0 into sin x plus y that will be 0, so this is again 1, this one, so this is 2 minus 2 cos of x plus y. Now this is number 2. Okay, now student, P1 P3 and P2 P4 are equal, we have already proved here are equal here, so their squares will also be equals, therefore equating the right hand side of 1 and 2 we get, therefore from 1 and 2 equating, okay, so we get this 2 minus left hand side of 1, 2 minus 2 into bracket cos of x into cos of y minus sin of x into sin of y equals to 2 minus 2 into bracket 2 into cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y, 2 minus 2 into cos of x plus y. So this will be right hand side up to, this is the left hand side of 1, this is 2 minus this side, the right hand side of 1 will be equals to right hand side of this 2, because left hand sides are equal. Okay, hence Therefore, cancelling this 2, okay, then this again this 2 also minus 2 minus 2. So we get cos x into cos y. Okay, cos x into cos y. Here you get minus sin x into sin y. Okay, and here you get cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y. Therefore, cos of x plus y equals to cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So student, this is the important formula, that is cos x plus y. It means if it is given, it is asked to find the value of find cos of 75 degree. So I can write is cos of 45 plus 30. So cos, this is a, this is b, cos x plus y, or this is x, this is y. So I can write this as cos of 45 into cos of 30 minus sin of 45 into sin of 30. Then put the values of standard angles here, you will get the result. Okay student, now as cos of x plus y equal to cos x into cos y, here just by replacing this y by minus y, now find another reader. Cos of x plus y equals to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So I am replacing this y by minus y, replacing y by minus y. Okay, this is a result. Put here instead of y as minus y. So we get cos of, this is x plus this is minus y, equal to cos x into cos of minus y minus sin x into sin of minus y. So this is cos of x minus y. Now cos of minus y is cos y, because cos of minus x is cos x. So again this is cos x into cos y. But here cos of minus y is minus, sin of minus y is minus sin y. So that minus and this minus, it becomes plus here, plus sin of x into sin of y. So this is your second result. So the first formula is cos x plus y equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, and second is cos of x minus y equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Now let us find out what is sin of x plus y. Sin x plus y. So we know that you have learned in class 10th, that is cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So 90 I can write it as cos pi by 2 minus theta, that will be sin theta. Okay, and sin 90 means pi by 2, pi by 2 minus theta, that will be cos theta. Okay, so to find sin x plus y, see, I am writing to derive the formula of sin x plus y. For sin x plus y, so I am writing this in terms of cos of, this is pi by 2 minus x plus y. ऐसा लिखते हैं अभी, है ना? So this will be equals to cos of, okay, group this minus x with this pi by 2, pi by 2 minus x, let this is your first a, and take this minus y as separate. So this is cos a plus b. Instead of a I am using pi by 2 minus x, instead of b suppose y here. So a minus b, cos of a minus b in this form. So now this is cos a minus b is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So use this formula. So cos instead of a is pi by 2 minus x and instead of b is y. So cos a means cos of pi by 2 minus x into cos b means cos y, है ना, plus sin a means that is pi by 2 minus x into sin y. So cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, that is sin x. So it will be, I am getting this formula of sin of x plus y. So this is cos pi by 2 minus x means sin x into cos y. Sin pi by 2 minus is cos x, so plus cos x into sin y. So sin x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So this is the third result. Okay. Now again I can find sin x minus y. So what will be sin x minus y? Sin, just you replacing y by minus y. Y by minus y. So sin of x plus this is minus y equal to, now here this is a, this is b, suppose. So this will be using this formula, sin of first angle x into cos of second angle plus cos of first angle into sine of second angle. So cos of minus y is again cos y, so that will be sin x into cos y, and sin y minus sine of minus y is minus sin y, so this becomes minus here. So minus cos x into sin y. So this is the formula for sin x minus y. Okay, so sin x minus y is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. So in this way, we have derived this four formula. First is cos x plus y, this formula, cos x plus. Second is cos x minus y. Third is this sin x plus y. And fourth is sin x minus y. So you have to remember all this formula. Okay, we can find what is cos pi by 2 plus x. Cos pi by 2 plus x, get the result. Now this is, we know that cos of a plus b equal to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So cos, this is a plus b, so this will be cos pi by 2 into cos x minus sin pi by 2 into sin x. So the cos pi by 2, that is 0. 0 into cos x, that will be 0. Just a minute. Okay. So no problem. So this is 0. 0 minus sin pi by 2 is 1 into sin x. So it gives me minus sin x. Therefore, cos pi by 2 plus x equal to minus sin x. Similarly, we can find the next result, that is sin pi by 2 plus x. Sin pi by 2 plus, use the formula sin a plus b. So sin pi by 2 into cos x plus cos pi by 2 into sin x. Formula is sin a plus b. A plus B. Sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So now sin pi by 2, again 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, and cos x, 1 into cos x, cos pi by 2, it is 0 into sin x, so it gives me cos x simply. Therefore sin pi by 2 plus x, therefore sin pi by 2 plus x equal to simply cos x. So you remember this formula. Then let us see another result. Cos pi minus x, cos, what is pi minus x? Cos pi minus x, actually this is pi. Cos pi minus x, use the formula cos A minus B. So that is cos pi into cos x plus sin pi into sin x. cos A minus B का फॉर्मूला. तो cos pi की वैल्यू देखो कितने थे. cos pi यहाँ पर -1 0 होता है, तो ये -1 हो जाएगा. दिस विल बी -1 फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट, माइनस कॉस एक्स हो जाएगा. साइन पाई 0, सो दिस इज 0, सो दैट इज माइनस कॉस एक्स. So cos pi minus x is minus cos x. Pi minus x, x is always less than 90 degree. Means pi, this pi minus, you have to subtract angle which is less than 90 degree. So it may comes here. This is pi minus x. Cos pi minus x. So you can write it as minus cos x. Okay. So students, in this way we can derive the different formula. Let us take cos pi plus x. What is cos pi plus x? Cos pi plus x. So this is equals to cos of a plus b. Cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. I used there cos x plus y. Cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So instead of x and y, I am using here a and b. So cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin into sin b. So find the value of cos pi plus x. Pi, this is pi plus some angles you have to add here. This cos plus pi plus x. What is the value of this cos pi plus x? So cos pi plus x, again cos pi into cos x minus sin pi into sin x. Sin pi is 0, so this term will vanish. So cos pi is minus 1 into cos x, so that is minus cos x. Therefore cos pi plus x, therefore cos pi plus x equal to minus cos x. Okay, now take sin pi plus x, sin pi plus x. Use this formula, sin a plus b equal to sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. So cos pi plus 6 means sin pi plus 6, that is sin pi into cos x plus sin a into cos b plus cos a means cos pi into sin x. So this sin pi is 0, so this will be 0 plus cos pi again minus 1 into sin x, so that is minus sin x. So cos pi plus x can be written as minus sin x. If it is suppose sin of pi plus 45, so I can write this as minus sin 45. Write the value of sin 45 1 upon root 2, that minus 1 upon root 2 will be the answer, like that. Okay, so in this way, students, you can find the different formula. Now let us see another formula. If none of the angles x, y and x plus y is odd multiple of pi by 2. पाई बाई 2 के ऑड मल्टीपल नहीं होना चाहिए. पाई बाई 2, 3 पाई बाई 2, 5 पाई बाई 2, 7 पाई बाई 2 लाइक दैट. अगर नहीं है, so then I can derive this formula, that is tan x plus y equals to tan x plus y equals to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Now see how to derive this formula. See the proof of this formula. Proof. We know that tan x plus y can be written as tan x plus y can be written as sin x plus y upon cos x plus y. Now use the formula sin x plus y, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y divided by cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, dividing the numerator and denominator, dividing numerator and denominator by cos x and denominator by cos x into cos y. cos x into cos y से ये न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को डिवाइड करो तो क्या मिलेगा. देखो यहाँ पर we will get sin x into cos y upon this cos x into cos y plus cos x into sin y upon cos x into cos y. The whole divided by cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y upon cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y upon cos x into cos y. So here this cos y will get cancelled. So we'll get here tan x sin x upon cos x plus here cos x cancel, sin y upon cos y, that is tan y. Here this will be 1 minus sin x upon cos x tan x, sin y upon cos y tan y. So that is tan x into tan y. Therefore tan of x plus y equals to tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. And you can find the formula for tan x minus y also. Just you replace that y by minus y. Tan x plus y. We know this formula. Now tan of x plus this minus y. This is A, this is B. So what will happen here? Tan of first angle, tan x plus tan of this second angle upon 1 minus tan of x into tan of this minus 1, and we know that sine of minus x equal to minus sin x, like that tan of minus x also equals to minus tan x. So here we get tan x, tan of minus y is minus tan y, so minus tan y upon 1 minus this tan of minus 1 minus tan and this minus. So 1 plus tan x into tan 1. Okay, student. So in this way, we can derive the different formula. Okay, students. So you practice for this formula, and similarly you can go for cot x plus y also. Okay, thank you.